Whistleblower in Timothy Omotoso rape case shot dead. Whistleblower in Timothy Omotoso rape case shot dead.
Dr. Jones Mutsonga wa Xiviri wo huma Limpopo wa Hina TV.
What has really become of South Africa? Has South Africa become a banana republic? The public is losing confidence in our justice system and in our courts. Let me zoom into irregularities in the justice system. Please allow me to use Timothy Omotoso's case as my case study, because there was a huge hype created around his story, but 7 years later, he is still on awaiting trial. Tim Omotoso has been in custody for the past 7 years. If there was a strong case against him, why is he still on awaiting trial? The South African Constitution states that a trial must start and end without undue delays. I would like us to interrogate this.
That there are hundreds and thousands of people who are languishing in South African prisons without having their trials beginning and concluding without any undue and unreasonable delays. And that is a violation of Chapter 2 of the Bill of Rights, Section 3, subsection D and paragraph 8. That says that each and every accused person has a right for a fair trial that must begin and must be concluded without any reasonable delay. And Reverend Omotoso's case has been delayed for 4 long, drawn.
Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Jones. Why Not TV? Please subscribe. Community activist and a whistleblower in the Timothy Omotoso rape and trafficking case, Pamela Mabini, has been shot dead in the driveway of her home in KwaZakhele in Gqeberha this morning. She was also shot at by unknown gunmen in May 2018 after receiving threatening messages. She was a regular attendee at the trial of Omotoso. Mabini played a pivotal role in supporting the witnesses in the Omotoso case. Meanwhile, the matter of rape accused Pastor Timothy Omotoso has been postponed until 2 April for judgment following closing arguments in January. The Gqeberha High Court in the Eastern Cape heard the closing arguments both from the state and the defense. Omotoso appeared in the Gqeberha High Court with co-accused Zokiswa Sitho and Lusanda Solani. They are facing over 30 charges that include rape, human trafficking, and racketeering. Judgment in Omotoso trial set for April. National Prosecuting Authority Lutolo Tiali says when they were led by their defense, they did indicate that against all the charges they were going to deny. And for the state, it was just to really emphasize that they were denying whatever was put against them, which was now heads of arguments that all they did was denial. So, we still believe that when the judge considers the evidence entirely, especially the ever and overwhelming evidence by the state, she will rule in our favor. Arguing for a guilty judgment, the state says the rape allegations of the witnesses should be considered in the judgment because it is very unlikely that the witnesses would all speak of isolated rape or a sexual assault against the accused. while the defense argued that the accused be acquitted on all charges because of the unfairness of the trial and the inability of the state to sufficiently cross-examine the accused. Someone commented and said, "Whistleblowers needs to be protected. She was previously attacked." Another one commented and said, "Very sad indeed. Who will be a whistleblower again if are not protected? I feel sorry for her family. My sincere condolences. May her soul rest in peace." Another one commented and said, "Take that dog to hell, please." Another one commented and said, "The justice system, it's time to prove to the country how lenient is the system, how serious is the system of the country. The citizens need your protection from these animals doing as they wish in the beautiful country. Investors are picking and leaving the country because they lost hope on you. Don't let foreign criminals go free because they will do more crime and expect you to defend them. We are always being scorned by criminals from foreign countries saying there is no justice in South Africa. It's because of the judges of this country. Do your job." Another one commented and said, "Money talks. The justice system should send a message to others who claim to be pastors and prophets in the plan of scamming people money in South Africa. Omotoso must rot in the trial of South African cells." Another one commented and said, "But this is what the judges were waiting for to happen, hence they delayed in their criminal judgment proceedings. In order for the witness to be killed, then they will have a perfect excuse to strike the case off the court roll." Another one commented and said, "Our police department is swollen with incapacitated officers hired just to earn thousands of rands while crime ravaging our society. We don't have police." Another one commented and said, "The National Police Commissioner is sleeping again. Incapacitated and lack of police know-how. There is no strategy to reduce crime and other criminal-related offenses." Another one commented and said, "Now Omotoso whistleblower killed. Witnesses are not supposed to be protected by law? Yes. But where is the policies and the policies that protects them? There is lapse in terms of law enforcement." Another one commented and said, "I've just dropped a comment regarding SA of becoming a country like Mexico and Colombia, where journalists and whistleblower are murdered in execution style." Another one commented and said, "She signed it for herself. She really knows it was dangerous." Another one commented and said, "Ilo yasemzansi ezayibuza ibhasi ibhaliwe." Another one commented and said, "My opinion, I mean mine. Sometimes you have to mind your own." Understood. Someone commented and said, "The pastor is involved in the whistleblower." Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Jones, Wina TV. Please subscribe. Bye for now till we meet again next time. Subscribe. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Jones, Wina TV. Please subscribe. Bye for now till we meet again next time. Subscribe. Please don't forget to like and to comment. Thank you very much.
Dr. Jones Mutsonga wa Xiviri wo huma Limpopo, Wina TV.
Goodbye till we meet again next time. Subscribe.